Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in New Braunfels, Texas, and it is known for great food, great music, but we're here today to check out Cruzers Customs new shop and to shoot a C10. We've shot a lot of stuff with the guys at Cruzers. Builds awesome stuff. They just recently moved in their new shop, so I'm going to show you around their shop a little bit. Then we're going to shoot their awesome C10 this weekend, or tonight, sorry, not this weekend. But you guys will love this C10. It's just, you want to talk about a truck that just the right amount of stuff's done to. Still looks like a C10, it's got plenty of power, beautiful truck. Looking forward to shooting it for classic truck performance. But let's go walk through the shop and check it out. I know Brian's with a customer right now, but we're just go be nosy. So this one just came out of the body shop. This was on a roaster shop chassis, right?
Yes, sir.
What all is getting done to this one? Well, I'm gonna make you talk.
Of course you are. LS3, bowler trans, spare brakes, RS4 chassis, and it's just gonna be a really, really clean Blazer. All the gaps. That'll be a really neat truck.
Cool. Just glad it's leaving the body shop, right?
Yes. Yeah.
That's good right there. Check this out. Is this not a great C10 or what? Now this one's on a chassis too, right?
Yeah, it's on a spec.
This is on a spec chassis from Roaster Shop. LS?
Oh yeah.
Has an LS motor.
6 liter.
6 liter.
Tremec, a bowler.
Got a bowler Tremec in it, 5-speed. Freaking cool interior. Check this out. Vintage air. Like a good driver. This is the truck you'd want to have. Like Brian builds some crazy stuff like that Rivy, but this is the one you'd want to jump in and drive every day.
That's cool.
It is a cool truck and it drives good. So we're gonna take some pictures of it for the magazine, and then we're gonna go find something to eat. But yeah, look at that. right, that concludes the photo shoot on this C10. We are going to go back to the shop and shoot the interior and the details and kind of look at some projects back at the shop. And then probably we're going to grab some lunch too, I think. And but we're going to go back to the shop. And Brian was nice enough to let me drive his dually, because going through downtown New Braunfels in my Sprinter would have been kind of a pain in the butt. Nice cold air conditioning.
Oh yeah. Courtesy of Vintage Air.
Yeah, courtesy of Vintage Air. I'm cool. I was telling Brian, this is my first photo shoot this year that I've actually sweated. So that's Texas in March for you. Everybody else complain about being cold.
We need to do a cruise around the square real quick.
Sure. Yeah, this is old downtown New Braunfels. There's the old Gebhardt's chili powder plant sign right there. This is a really cool old town. Need to come down here on a Sunday morning early when all this is closed down and do a photo shoot downtown somewhere.
It'd be cool. It's pretty neat down around the square too.
Yeah.
Around that pavilion and stuff.
Yeah. But this is another one of those towns that tourism's gotten really big, like Fredericksburg. So there's a ton of traffic, a ton of people.
It used to never be like this, but
I think all these people don't know how roundabouts work.
yeah, exactly. I've been to Texas Independence Day was last week.
Oh yeah. That's the other cool thing with these towns, all these great town squares.
Courthouse.
The old courthouse there. Man, I love Texas.
Me too.
Other than sweating during photo shoots. Couldn't ask for a nicer day though. Sky was cool. Had a cool location, the old co-op.
If you're in New Braunfels, I guess we better go eat some German food.
Oh yeah, I guess that's because this is where Schlitterbahn's from, right?
That's it.
Yep. Is German food any good? Don't you got like schnitzel or something like that?
Yeah, that's right. You're fixing to find out.
Yep. This mural's pretty cool.
That's where we're going to.
Yeah.
Krause's. The place has been there a long, long time. It's been different things, but it came back.
Nice.
Yeah, it's
Oh, Krause's.
Yeah.
It says beer garden on it, right?
That's right.
I bet in October this place is packed.
Oh, dude, it's pretty hopping.
Yeah.
And we can sit in the AC or we can sit out here. It don't matter.
Fine. It feels good in here. I won.
Yeah, how'd you do that?
Got lucky with traffic.
Oh.
Here's one of our favorites. We have a full video of this Rivi. Of course, you know I love Rivieras, but there's a full video of this car up on our YouTube channel. I'll put a link at the very end of this video. But yeah, this thing's badass. It was Good Guys Customer Rod of the Year, but Rivies don't get much better than this one. Told you Cruzers builds really cool shit. All right, got to show you the best part of this new shop. It's not this awesome break room, but look at this well-decorated bathroom. When I photographed this for Good Guys for the shop tour, I think they left this out, but it's a very nice restroom for a hot rod shop. You can see a lot of their stuff on the walls. This is a cool part when I come in. Sometimes my work winds up on really cool toolboxes when you win a Good Guys Top 12 of the year. So that Rivy I was showing earlier, this is its toolbox for winning Custom Rod of the Year. It's pretty cool. All right, and Cruzers is a full service shop. Here's their paint booth right here. They have a great painter. They spray BSF paint, spray solder guns. There's this awesome gold Impala wagon, satin gold, so I'm a little partial to this here in the body shop. For you guys like that, that's cool. Then we'll walk in. You already kind of saw the body shop. I don't think anybody's in here now. It's after hours, so it's kind of cleaned out. You saw them take the blazer out that they're working on. It's on the roaster shop chassis, but this is where the magic happens, or where all the dirt. This is actually pretty clean for a body shop. Brian's just happy that I'm not having him talk about all this stuff, but yeah, they have a really nice body shop section here at Cruzers as well. Hey Brian, tell me about this Falcon. That's one you can tell me about.
Well,
because we're getting ready to photograph this when we just finished wrapping this one up, because you just got the wheels fixed on, right?
1963 Sprint Futura Falcon. We grafted in a roadster shop fast track front end. It's got a Coyote motor in it.
Oh yeah, I'll see the Coyote. Because Coyotes just fit in everything, don't they?
Oh man, let me tell you. It's dusty and filthy right now. But,
yeah. Yeah, a Coyote and a Falcon, that's like a shoehorn there, isn't it?
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. So we made the firewall, the floors, the aprons, mini tubbed, made the trunk floor, built all the subframe connectors. The only thing we reused from the original car when it came in is the roof panel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, everything else was just basically demolished or ruined.
Yep. And this one has an awesome interior and stuff in it. Has a great stance, and we'll be photographing this one soon. Like I said, he's just buttoning this one up. It's not
needs
quite
a horn button. And
yeah, it needs a horn button, a little bit small
in,
things. But yeah, check this interior out.
Gabriel and Son out of New Braunfels, or I'm sorry, San Marcos.
San Marcos did it. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, great color on this car too.
Old car.
Yep. Sweet. Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
We had to show something cool. Actually, I'm gonna show. You can follow me in here. I'll show you something. This is what I've been. Every time I come in here, I'm in love with this. Of course, we just shot this truck.
We'll show them the bank robber car.
Yeah, the bank robber car. Check out this four-door Chevelle. 72 four-door Chevelle. On a roaster shop chassis, right?
On a roaster shop spec chassis.
On a roaster shop spec chassis. And the customer wanted a four-door, right?
Yeah.
He didn't want a two-door.
It's got big bare brakes on it.
Jeez, bare brakes. Big fat wheel and tire on it.
Yeah, it's got forged lines on it.
Forged lines on it.
It's got LT4 with a 10-speed.
LT4 10-speed. Jeez.
Vintage air.
Vintage air, all that fun stuff. So this one, even though, so he's pretty much keeping this one the way it looks.
Yeah.
So this is going to be quite the sleeper then.
Yeah, extra shitty on the outside.
Extra shitty on the outside. Man, this thing's awesome.
Yeah, it ought to be pretty cool.
Yep. Yeah, we'll
it's gonna hurt some feelings.
He'll let us burn tires on this one when you get it done too, right? Oh, sweet. So we'll have a video coming of this one when it's done. Well, look, it's the inspection's 418. It's ready to drive now. And so cool. This one's cool. I'm looking forward to this one. Yeah, four-door Chevelle. Sweet. Thank you, sir.